Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a pavoni professional espresso machine. Now this machine will only do a tune-up, replacing all the gaskets from the machine itself, from the piston, group head, side glass, steamer, side glass itself, as well as the side glass casing. And starting with the steamer, we're going to test out this machine. As you can see, having really good pressure, nice temperature, no leaks. And now for the shot of espresso. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly, otherwise you're gonna see coffee barrel dripping or drip coffee. Unfortunately I did got the grind set up correctly for this machine. As you can see, we see a nice stream, good crema, good shot of espresso coming out of this machine. A thick layer of crema. So thank you for preparing Canning Coffee, and please subscribe to the channel for more content like this every day.